Here at Discovery, we are so excited to get our hands on the Xiaomi Mi11 phone to try out the incredible videography effects that's taking this phone to the next level. The video technology is so easy to use. At a touch of a button, we can create some Hollywood-worthy content. Open the camera app, go straight to More and choose Movie Effects. Here you will find a short demo by tapping the play button. Choose the movie effect you want to create and follow the instructions. Make sure your subject is ready and hit record. When you're done, play it back to look at the finished product. And the creativity doesn't stop there. One of them is Vlog. It has so many built-in effects which you can choose from. Hold down the record button to start filming. The sections are quick, so make sure you're ready to go as soon as that record button is pressed. When you're done, tap the red button to watch your creation. And if that wasn't enough, we have another amazing effects. Head to the More section and choose Clone. There are 3 options to choose from with a short demo of each. Choose the option you want and get yourself into position. As soon as the record button is pressed, it's time to be as expressive as you can. The Xiaomi Mi11 phone has so many incredible features, but we're not done yet. Watch out for the next video from Discovery where I'll be showing you even more creative options. See you again soon.